Mr. R wanted us to learn, I, Dylan Gibargesnia, and Jacob Nelson from his third period class to an A level. The following concepts from the first chapter 12 of our chemistry book.
This is not a conclusive list, but our selection of concepts from each chapter that we will remember.
Chapter 1. Chemists play an essential role in finding ways to conserve energy, produce energy, and store energy.
Chapter 2, Matter and Change. Based on the distribution of their components, mixtures can be classified as heterogeneous or homogeneous mixtures.
Chapter 3. Measurements are fundamental to experimental sciences. For that reason, it is important to be able to make measurements.
Chapter 4, Atomic Structure. The Greek philosopher Democritus believed that atoms were indivisible and indestructible. He was the first person to come up with any specific ideas of atoms.
Chapter 5. The quantum mechanical model determines the allowed energies an electron can have and how likely it is to find the electron in various locations around the nucleus.
Chapter 6, the Periodic Table. We learned that the three classes of elements are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.
Chapter 7. To find the number of valence electrons in an atom of a representative element, simply look at its group number.
Chapter 8, Covalent Bonding. In a covalent bond, electron sharing usually occurs so that atoms attain the electron configurations of noble gases.
Chapter 9. Bases are named in the same way as other ionic compounds. The name of the cation followed by the anion.
Chapter 10, Chemical Quantities. A mole is a unit of measurement used in chemistry to explain something of a chemical substance. Express amounts of a chemical substance.
Alright, chapter 11. A skeletal equation is just a way of using the formulas to indicate the chemicals that are involved in the chemical reaction.
Chapter 12, Stoichiometry. We have not yet finished Chapter 12 of Stoichiometry, but what we have learned so far is that stoichiometry is a part of chemistry that studies amounts of substances that are involved in reactions.
Woohoo!